This is the HTC EVO 4G Shift, and in this video we're going to show you how to take it apart so you can make various repairs. First thing you need to do is remove the back cover from the phone. Then remove the battery and also the memory card if you haven't already done so. Next, using a Torx 5 screwdriver, remove the 4 screws as being pointed out here in the video. With the screws removed, use a safe pry tool to release the clips so you can remove the back housing from the rest of the phone. Next, remove the 2 small Phillips screws as being shown here now in the video. Next, using a safe open pry tool, release the ribbon cable from the motherboard. You can then ease the motherboard away from the rest of the phone. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 8 screws as being shown here. With the screws removed, ease off the keyboard from the rest of the phone. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 small Phillips screws. Using a safe open pry tool, release the plastic covers at the top and the bottom of the phone. Remove the 2 small Phillips screws as being shown here now in the video. Next, warm the glue that's holding the flex cable to the metal plate using a hot hairdryer or heat gun. The glue warmed, you can easily remove the flex cable from the metal plate. You can now remove the slide-in section from the phone. Next, using a safe pry tool, open the jaw clip of the LCD screen connector as being shown here now in the video. Open the other jaw connector and release the ribbon cable. Ease off the flex cable from the LCD screen as being shown here now in the video. Next, release the other flex cable from the back of the LCD screen. With that done, you can now lift out the LCD screen from the frame of the phone. Using a safe pry tool, release the flex cable and earpiece speaker away from the rest of the phone frame. You are now left with the frame of the phone and the touchscreen digitizer. Using a hot hairdryer or a heat gun, warm the adhesive around the edges of the touchscreen. Once the adhesive is warmed, use a safe pry tool and start easing up the glass from the frame of the phone. Once done, ease the ribbon cable out slowly through the small gap. You can now replace the touchscreen digitizer.